Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a job card online in Maharashtra. Obtaining a job card is crucial for rural households seeking employment under government schemes. Applying online offers a convenient and efficient way to access these benefits. We will guide you through the entire process, from understanding who can apply and what documents are needed, to completing the online form and tracking your application. This ensures you can easily secure your household's right to work and financial support. To apply for a job card, you must be an Indian citizen living in a rural area. All adult members of your household between 18 and 60 years of age who are willing to undertake unskilled manual labor are eligible. You will need essential documents such as an Aadhaar card or voter ID for identity proof, a ration card or electricity bill for residence proof, and a recent passport-sized photograph. Gathering these documents beforehand will streamline your application process. The online application process is straightforward using the UMang app or its official website. First, register or log in with your mobile number using an OTP or MPIN. Next, search for the MG Enregas service and choose the Apply for Job Card option. Carefully fill in all the general details, including your address and family information, followed by individual applicant details. Upload your scanned documents, ensuring they meet the specified size requirements. Finally, submit your application and remember to save your unique reference number for future tracking. Having a job card provides significant benefits, including a guarantee of at least 100 days of unskilled manual employment each financial year. This ensures a stable income for your household. Wages are paid directly into your bank account, promoting transparency. After applying, you can easily track your application status on the UMang portal using your reference number. This card is a crucial tool for rural families, empowering them with employment opportunities and contributing to their overall well-being and financial security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.